Hi, my name is Roger Sawatsky. I'm here from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, the coldest place on earth. And I just want to give a short testimony about LeafFilter. I came across it about a month ago at the Health and Wellness show here in Winnipeg. So I checked it out. They wrote down my name and they contacted me for a free estimated. And the guy was 2 or 3 hours early to do his estimated, so he did it, and we knocked out the financial plan. They gave me twice the time than they did at the beginning because I didn't want to have it done till the spring, but they said I can have a guy out there tomorrow. And that was about 2 days after we did the whole process. The guy came out here. They promised me to clean the whole gutter out and put the filter on and check everything, that everything would be good for a number of years. They have very good warranty on it, so that would be it. Thanks.